How to fix Safari cannot open the page error problem in Safari browser. So the first solution is clear Safari cache files. To do that, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Safari. And here you'll find the clear history and website data option. So tap on it, clear history and data, and then check the issue. And the second solution is turn off VPN or proxy. So if you're using or connected to a VPN, just disconnect the VPN or proxy, and hope this will fix your problem. And once done, restart your iPhone and check the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.